If you gathered 10 Forex traders in a room, how many do you think would lose money on the markets? Well, statistics say 9 of them. If you add yourself to that roundup, you're probably one of the losers too. And that's all regardless of whether you're just starting out or if you've been trading for a few years. It doesn't matter if you waste hours on technical analysis, studying candlestick charts, Fibonacci's, or the Illuminati until the cows come home. The odds say you'll lose. You're better off sticking that money in your mattress, even with inflation and the economy the way it is. I might be a professional trader who's managed to quit the day job and make multiple 6 figures from trading, but when I started out, I was just like you. That was until I discovered a far quicker, easier, and more profitable way to trade. One that doesn't involve the hours spent doing technical analysis or staying awake for overnight markets. This system is responsible for over 54 million in funded capital, with top prop firms like ftmo, myforexfunds before they disappeared, etc., etc., and way over 7 figures in proven prop firm withdrawals. We've got over 100 million in managed capital using our strategies as well. And some of the screenshots of the proof, the withdrawals, what's been secured, is popping up on screen right now. These strategies and algorithms are helping traders profit 3, 4, 5 figures a month from either their own capital or prop firms. Here's just a fraction of the results we've achieved recently. Ultimately, you can use our strategies to trade your challenges, trade live funded accounts, or your own live cash too. That's the whole point, is about creating your own ecosystem, from leveraging prop firms and prop firm withdrawals into your own live capital that you're then in fully control of. And best of all, unlike other EAs you've used that have blown your accounts to hell, our system leverages the power of diversified strategies across all instruments to work in any market. I'll show you as well how to stay in line with a market that's constantly changing using robust testing methods and walk forward analysis that no one else is even talking about. We've even built our own unique POW scoring mechanism using AI to make sure we're finding the most robust settings that are more likely to carry on in the live market. This is the kind of shit no one's talking about because they don't even know about. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal exactly how everything works so you can use it for yourself. But first, let me briefly explain who I am and why you should listen to me. My name is Darren Hill, and I'm a trader with more than 14 plus years of experience. I'm also the founder of POW, the only group that actually teaches you how to use algorithms, trading robots, EAs, properly. We show you how to make informed, data-driven decisions instead of just guessing, and we provide you with the tools and support you need to create your own sustainable long-term success. If that's quitting your 9 to 5 or leveraging other income streams, that's totally up to you. As opposed to those groups who just expect you to buy an off-the-shelf EA, load a set file, and lure you into thinking that you can order the Lamborghini next week and life's going to be rosy ever after. That's not how algo trading works. Markets change, diversified strategies are key, and they don't talk about how to backtest properly, and they just encourage you to overfit the strategy. And then when you turn it on, it just fails in the live market. Trading algorithms is perfect if you don't want to keep swapping time for money, but also if you don't want to spend hours and hours and hours on screen drawing lines on charts. When I was working 9 to 5, it was actually more like a 7 till 7, grinding away, saying yes boss, okay boss, trying to beg for that 1 to 2% pay rise per year, which is actually less than inflation. Then I discovered trading. It wasn't all smooth sailing at all. I made all of the usual fuck ups. I let my losers run, cut my winners short. I was trying to find the perfect tops and bottoms in the market. I studied Fibonacci's, RSI's, retracements until my eyes bled. I failed prop challenges, blew live accounts, etc., etc. You get the gist. Even checking my phone in the middle of the night, blinded by the blue lights as I saw the red drawdown get bigger and bigger. But over the hours, weeks, months, and years, I learned about algorithmic trading and then learned how to make EAs more robust, how to backtest properly, and how to cover all market conditions at the same time. Very often I would have an EA that loved ranging markets, but then they trended like hell and it would cause me big drawdowns. and vice versa. No point having a trending set when the markets range most of the time. So I wanted to create a tool like a Swiss Army knife that could work in any market and give me a tool for whatever the market was doing at that time. So yeah, all an EA is a set of rules that will mean that trades are entered when certain conditions are met. And that's no different to a great manual trader having a rules-based approach. Basically, it takes all the guesswork and emotional human errors out of your trading. What makes this strategy so powerful is that we don't just provide you with the bot to do this with. We provide you with the blueprint and process to show you how to use it properly, but also how you can scale your own capital over time, leveraging prop firms at your own pace with steady, sensible returns without you having to chase unrealistic, unsustainable returns. Our Banker EA is the product of 20 plus years combined experience, and it took my team over 3 to 4 years to develop. It can actually do most stuff coders said wasn't possible. It's not just about passing challenges, that's what everyone else talks about. It's about making sure you get paid from your funded account when you've achieved it. Passing challenges doesn't pay the bills or pay your mortgage. The withdrawals do. One of our traders, Jordan Clark, even jumped into Trustpilot to say the possibilities with this EA are literally endless. Another trader said, and I quote, "the best EA I've ever tested and used." Now, I know this might be hard to believe, or you may think that this might never work for you. However, virtually anyone can repeat this success because it's a process. You've got all of the comprehensive training videos that literally walk you through this step by step. Plus, I'll jump on a weekly live Q&A every week to iron out any kinks, give you any clarity or any questions that you've got too. Plus, you'll have the support of an entire army of our traders that are previous members too and current members with an average response time of under 2 hours, regardless of the time of day. No joke, one of our members, Cobus, even said our support is better than any other company in existence. Of course, you might still be skeptical about EAs, and I get that. After all, there are some absolute trash bots out there. You might have used one yourself. I definitely know I've tried a few like that too. Most EA sellers out there are the ones out there that are preaching set and forget, when in reality, you have to know how to use the tool and set it up before you let loose on the markets. My team will show you how to do just that. It's fast, simple, and it can be easy to limit your drawdowns whilst maximizing different strategies at the same time. Even if you're a complete beginner in algorithmic trading, and this is the first time you're going to be looking to trade EAs. We live in a day and age where prop firms provide us with huge opportunities. A 5% monthly withdrawal might not mean anything if you're trading with $1,000, but 5% on a 600,000 funded account is $30,000 a month, more than most people make working 9 to 5 for a whole year.